US-VP HDMI is a high-definition output interface. We can make a peripheral connection to network cable interfaces for USB ports and audio ports. The back of the machine. We can see that there are 3 buttons. This is the charging port. This is the ground wire. This is the main power switch. Probe installation. First, we can see that there are 2 probe ports on the back of the machine. Take out the probe, put the probe upside down and insert it into the probe interface. At the same time, tighten the lower buckle to it. After completing this step, we'll start again. There is a main power switch on the back of the machine. Turn on the power switch. There is a buckle on the top of the machine. We open the buckle, click the switch button in the upper left corner. At this time, the machine will perform an automatic boot self-test. After turning it on, we can see 2 probe selection keys at the top of the screen. We can slide the black ball below. It's called a trackball. We can choose the corresponding parameters. Confirm. The set key means confirm. We click to confirm. We'll enter the ultrasonic detection system. After entering the ultrasound system, the first step is to create a new case. Click the New Case button. After clicking, an interface will appear. We can fill in the corresponding information. Slide the trackball and click the OK button below. Click the Confirm button. Enter the newly created cases. You can start normal work. Adjustment of various parameters of the machine. First, gain adjustment. You can turn the knob. Perform overall gain adjustment. You can also pass the 8-segment gain above. Make segmented adjustments. Second, depth adjustment. There are up and down buttons next to the gain knob. We click in turn. You can zoom in and out of the image. Third, focus adjustment. The 5 buttons above corresponds to the 5 dialog boxes on the screen. We can use the 4 buttons here. Make up and down selections. Which line is blue? Can be selected. Third, focus adjustment. We can adjust the position of the focus through the button. Fourth, frequency adjustment. The one on the far left of the first line. We can adjust the frequency of selection in turn. After adjusting the image, we are going to learn a button called the freeze button. The freeze button is the pause button. After clicking freeze, the corresponding frame number will appear. He can also play it back. We slide the trackball. You can look at this picture frame by frame. You can also continue to see a picture change. Image save. There is a save button here. After we click it, an image will appear in the upper left corner of the screen. Want to save dynamic videos? Just click the button next to it. After clicking, data bar for data reading. After reading, a dialog box will still appear in the upper left corner, accompanied by a blue triangular box. It means the video has been saved. After freezing, some measurements are required. Distance measurement. Click the distance measurement button. The number, the blue symbol of 1, will appear on the screen. We put it in the corresponding position. Click OK. Simultaneous sliding trackball. We can get the corresponding size. At the same time, the second measurement symbol is automatically issued. If it involves professional measurement, you can click the professional measurement in the upper left corner. There will be corresponding professional terms here. According to professional terms, click the Confirm button. Click to measure. Also in the upper left corner of the screen, the result of the technical term measurement will appear. You can click Check Management on the left. Click We can read the corresponding data in the corresponding measurement data packet. A complete measurement can be made. After we do an inspection, we are going to close the case. It ends in two ways. One is we click on New Case, manually to end. Hit the End button and the case is over. Or we could just click on the End of Case button. It will automatically end. At the same time, a new case is generated. At this time, we will go according to the options. Just go to the next animal test. If you want to find the cases again, there is an iWorks here called the Imaging Center. We click the iWorks button. You can see all the cases done that day. We choose the corresponding date. Click to search. It can be found that previous cases are among them. Then select the corresponding case. Select Continue Check. You can enter the inspection page of the current case. Report printing. All in the current case. We click the Report button on the machine. After clicking, select the corresponding picture. Take it from the box on the left. Select the box to our right. Click the button to preview the report. This is the template for the report. If the machine is inserted into the USB stick, you can click the Export button. A black dialog box will appear on the screen. There will be a file name below. We can enter the corresponding file name. This machine has a total of 7 modes. B mode, C mode, Energy Doppler, PW, M, double B mode and 4B mode. CW, 3D, 4D buttons are default keys. Add according to future needs. First, let's introduce the B mode. B mode is the ordinary black and white super mode. C mode is also called blood flow mode. We can see the change in blood flow inside the box, divided into two colors, red and blue. Click the Confirm button. We can adjust the size of the sampling frame. Energy Doppler. Click the Energy Doppler button. You can see tiny little blood flows. PW function. Click the PW button. A line and sample box will appear on the screen. The sampling frame should occupy 1/2 of the blood vessel. The angle of the sample should be as parallel as possible to the blood vessel. You can click the Confirm or Refresh button. We'll enter the measurement stage of PW. You can click the Freeze button and click the Professional Measurement button. Make a certain amount of measurement of PW. If you want to return, just click the B button directly. M mode. M mode, mostly used to capture moving objects. After clicking, a white line will appear. Click the Confirm button. M-shaped ultrasound appears on the screen. Similarly, it can also be professionally measured. For the M-shaped sonogram, make a certain amount of measurement. Double B mode. Double B is two pictures. It is often used for comparison with organs. There are also 4B modes. 4B modes are mostly used for different sections of an organ for comparison. Local magnification function. Click the local zoom button. A box will appear on the screen. Click the local zoom button again. We'll magnify the partial image. Click again. We'll go back to the original image. Arrow marking function. Click the button. You can slide the trackball. Tag. Click to confirm. There will be obvious location markers on the screen. We can hit the Clear button. Get rid of them one by one. You can also click Remarks to make a note of the image. Machine shutdown. The machine can be turned off in any state. We click the Shutdown button in the upper left corner. At this time, be careful not to cut off the power rashly. We have to wait for the light on the screen. After it is completely extinguished, rear power off. At this time, the roar of the fan will disappear. The battery display light will also go out. Probe extraction. First, we need to hold the probe steady. Rotate the buckle to the left. I heard a pop. Just extract the probe.